In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, step-by-step tutorial. If you're an admin, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to create a new user account, assign the right license, and safely share sign-in details all within the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Start by signing in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with an account that has admin permissions. Once you're on the home page, look to the left navigation and open the Users section. From there, choose Active Users. This is where you manage everyone in your organization and where you'll add the new account. Select Add User to launch the setup wizard. Begin by entering the person's first and last name. The display name field fills in automatically, but this is your chance to fine-tune how their name appears in Outlook, Teams, and across your directory. Keep it consistent with your company's naming convention so searches and contacts stay clean. Next, create the username, which becomes the email prefix. Choose a format your team recognizes, like first.last or an employee ID, and then select the correct domain from the dropdown. If you have multiple domains, make sure the one you pick is the one the user should actually send and receive mail from. Move on to password settings. You can let Microsoft 365 auto-generate a secure temporary password or create one manually. Auto-generate is quick and safe. Ensure the option to require the user to change the password at first sign-in is enabled, so they set a confidential password only they know. Now assign product licenses, pick the license that matches this user's role, and confirm you have available seats. If your plan allows it, you can turn individual services on or off to fit what they need today and adjust later as their responsibilities grow. Before you finish, review everything carefully. Double check the email address, the selected domain, and the license assignment. A quick review here prevents account and mail routing issues later. When everything looks correct, select Finish Adding. You'll see a confirmation with the new username and a temporary password. Copy these details and store them securely. If you prefer, you can have the system email the credentials to you or to the user's alternate email address. Use a trusted, secure channel according to your organization's policy. That's it. Your new user now appears under active users, and within a few minutes, they'll be able to sign in, change their password, and start using the apps tied to their license. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you set up your next user.